In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF in Clickfunnels 2.0. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to keep your files organized so you can quickly use them in your funnels, emails, or membership areas. Let's start inside your Clickfunnels dashboard. From here, the first thing you want to do is move into your settings area. Look for Workspace settings in the left-hand menu of your dashboard. Go ahead and click that. This is where you manage the behind-the-scenes pieces of your account, including the files you'll be using across different funnels and pages. Once you're in Workspace settings, find and click on My Assets. Think of My Assets as your personal library inside Clickfunnels 2.0. This is where your images, documents, and other reusable files live. Inside My Assets, you'll see different tabs along the top. Click on the tab labeled Downloads. The Downloads tab is specifically where your PDFs and other downloadable files are stored, so anything you want your visitors to download will live here. Now that you're in the right place, you're ready to upload your PDF. Look toward the top right corner of the page for a button that says Upload File and click it. This opens up a file picker from your computer. Browse through your folders and select the PDF you want to upload. Take a moment to double-check that you're choosing the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions. Keep in mind that ClickFunnels allows you to upload one file at a time in this area, so if you have several PDFs, you'll repeat this process for each one. After selecting your PDF, you'll see a spot to enter details about the file. In the name field, type in a clear descriptive name for your PDF, something like Lead Magnet Guide V1. A helpful tip is to use a consistent naming structure, for example, project name, file type, version, or date. This might look like Webinar Funnel, Checklist, 2026.01. Doing this makes it much easier to stay organized and quickly find the right file later, especially once you have a lot of assets in your account. When you're happy with the name and details, click the Create File button to finalize the upload. ClickFunnels will now upload your PDF and store it securely on their servers. Once the process finishes, your PDF will appear in the Downloads section under My Assets. From this point on, your file is ready to use. It's stored in your My Assets area, and ClickFunnels automatically generates a unique download URL for it. You'll be able to grab that URL and plug it into buttons, links, or automation steps anywhere in your funnels where you want people to download your PDF.